Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about this wig I got. So I ordered it from Maxine on AliExpress, and let me just show you the wig because so let me take the clips out. So this was a 30-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. It came in 3 days. I'm not mad at it. So this is the hair. I'm trying not to touch it too much because y'all can see. So I just washed it and watch it. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Look at this. Look at this. It's only a closure, so that's the whole closure. I literally went to co-wash this. I didn't even get a chance to wash the hair because as soon as I went to rub the product, the conditioner in there, it just started shedding. Like, look at this. This lace, nah, y'all. And I've been getting my hair done and getting wigs and weaves for years. I've never seen nothing like this. Nothing. Like, that is so sad. Look at this. Do not buy this hair. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. I was gonna bleach these knots, but honey, I'm scared to bleach. No. And guys, the only reason I ordered this wig is because I have had Maxine's water wave hair and it's so beautiful, and it didn't shed, which is curly hair, so it's gonna shed, but it didn't shed for like a couple months. So I was like, ooh, they have a straight wig. I like their hair last time, so I ordered it, and this is what I got. And this is what I got. But like the bundle part is actually good hair. It's like not shit in there like that. So the bundles might be good, but it's okay, y'all. This is a wig from Amazon. If y'all want the details, just let me know. It's real old. It look better than this. I just threw this on to make a video and make this video because no one should be getting this. No one. Now I gotta go clean up all this hair on my floor. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.